The Seiko Alpinist is the best green dialed watch in my opinion. My cousin called me up and asked me to build him one. So now, join me and let's build him his dream watch. So here are the parts we're gonna use. These are aftermarket parts bought online. That's a green dial, and this is the gold Cathedral hands. So let's start. So first we have to remove the dial feet. So we will remove 2 feet. Make sure the correct feet stays on the dial. So the one that we're gonna use right now for this build are it's for the 3 o'clock crown position. So I'm just moving it using my tweezers, swaying it left and right. And now we're filing it just to make sure it's level and flat. So when you attach the dial to the movement, it would be flush. Now the moment of truth, here we go. Yes, make sure you put it in the right hole. There, it's flush, looks good. Now let's put the crown. And now we're gonna adjust the time, and wait for that date change. In punto. Exactly on the dot. There, you have to stop. And now we're gonna attach the hour markers. Sorry, the hour hands rather. Pushing it in slightly. Now let's clean the hands for some smudges and dirt using Erodico. And now the minute hand, same procedure. Mount it, make sure it's in, and push it softly. Doesn't need a lot of force. And for me, the hardest part, I think all the modders would agree, installing the second hand. So here I kind of cheated a little bit. I used a little bit of Rodico on the end of my tool, and voila, it's working. Let's take a closer look. I'm just dusting off the dust. And my favorite part is casing the dial, the movement in the hands. I'll flip it over, screw the crown, which I pre-cut, grease the gasket, rubber gasket, the O-ring, and put it in the case. Let's screw it back down using my hands, and then I'm gonna use a ball, the magic ball. And now let's put the spring bar in to this awesome leather, brown leather strap. And the other one, make sure it's in, it goes in properly. And the last one, we're almost done. And also try not to scratch the case. And we're good. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget, nice watch party. If you enjoyed the video, how about giving it a like and subscribe for more watch content. See ya.